In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export your customer list from StanStore. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get a CSV file of your customers that you can open in a spreadsheet tool or upload into another platform. Let's start from your StanStore dashboard. First, log into your account using your usual details. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different sections. In that panel, find the option labeled Customers and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can see your full list of customers, including anyone who has purchased from you or signed up through your store. On this customers page, you'll see a table displaying your customer information. Take a moment to make sure this page is showing the data you actually want to export. If you're using any filters such as dates, products, or tags, remember that only the customers that match those filters will be included in your export. So adjust those filters now if needed. Once the list looks right, move your attention to the top right corner of the customer list. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few different choices. From that menu, select the option that says Download CSV. As soon as you click that, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up will tell you how many customers you're about to export, and will remind you that the export will include all customer data that matches your current filters. This is a good time to quickly double-check that those filters are correct, because the CSV file will mirror exactly what you see here. If everything looks good, click the button in the pop-up that says Export CSV. StanStore will now prepare your file. This might take a few moments, especially if you have a large number of customers. When the export is finished, you'll see a confirmation message at the top of the screen, letting you know that your export is complete. From here, all that's left is to locate the CSV file on your computer. Open your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saves downloaded files by default, and look for the newly downloaded CSV file. You can now open it with a spreadsheet program or import it into your favorite email or CRM tool.